ToolManageriQ has an AI named Fritz that can be your personal assistant as you program. To start, click on the Fritz button and it'll open up a conversation dialog. You enter your question below and he'll try to answer up top. I'm going to ask Fritz what drill number is used for a quarter 20 tap. Then I can either press the Ask Question button or enter, and he'll try to find me that information. And you can see he's come back and said drill number 7 is the one that's typically used. If I ask follow-up questions, it'll be as if I'm having a conversation. For example, I'll ask, what size is that? Fritz already knows that I'm talking about the number 7 drill and got me some extra information. And you can keep going back and forth until you're done, and then use the new conversation button, which would reset. So it's as if you're starting from scratch.